To do 3D modeling with Blender software, you must know these basic shortcuts. Moreover, you are very slow. So this shortcut will speed up your work and make work so much easier. Let's try with important shortcut. So open the Blender and at the beginning we will see an interface like this where is a cube, and our first shortcut is hold down the mouse scroll wheel to view the object from different angle like this. We can see the object from any angle easily. Number 2, we can zoom in and zoom out by scrolling the scroll wheel of the mouse. Number 3, we can view any object by moving the viewport while holding the shift and holding down the mouse wheel. Number 4, if you want to move any object, then we can use this move tool. We can move along the x-axis by the red arrow, and you can move along the y-axis by holding the green arrow, and can move up and down by holding the blue arrow. But if we want to use shortcut, we can move it to any place by pressing G from the keyboard. Now if we want to move any along the x-axis, press G once and press X. If you want to move along the y-axis, press G once and press Y. And if you want to move along the z-axis, press G once and press Z, moving your mouse. Number 5. If we want to rotate the object randomly, we can do it with the rotation tool, or we can use shortcut. You can press R if you want to rotate along the x-axis, press R once and press X. If you want to rotate along the y-axis, press R once and press Y. And if you want to rotate along the z-axis, press R and press Z. Number 6. Duplicate any object by pressing Shift plus D. Number 7. We can undo work by pressing Ctrl plus Z. Number 8. We can redo work by pressing Shift plus Ctrl plus Z. Or you can also press Ctrl plus Y. Number 9. You can use the scale tool to make objects smaller and larger, or by pressing S, we can make an object smaller and larger. If you want to scale along the x-axis, press S once and press X. And if you want to scale along the y-axis, press S and press Y. And if you want to scale along the z-axis, press S and press Z. Number 10. Press Ctrl plus N to take a new workplace. Number 11. Press Ctrl plus O to open the file. Number 12. Press F2 to rename any object. Number 13. Press F3 to search menu. Number 14. Press Ctrl plus S to save. And number 15. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus S to save as. So guys, it was a home page shortcut. Now go to edit mode. So number 16, by pressing tab button, we can go to edit mode, and we can come to object mode by pressing tab again. Number 17, we can use Ctrl plus R to loop cut. Number 18, press Ctrl plus B to radius or bevel effect. We can see a bevel effect is creating, and last we can see the result. Number 19, press I and move the mouse to create a new face. Number 20, to extrude the face, we move the mouse by pressing E, and we want to see the result. Really amazing. Also some more important shortcut are press L to link vertically, and press Shift plus L to deselect vertically. Press U to unsharp the mesh. So guys, here are 20 plus Blender basic shortcuts without which you can't easily work in Blender. There are also many other shortcuts that I use while I'm working. So be sure to subscribe the channel to get tips for Blender. Bye bye.